All right, EDC finally got it. It's about 2 weeks out. UPS delivered. And yeah, this is how it looks like. The package came. This is VIP. We got 2 VIP tickets or wristband. So let's take a look and see how it looks like. So it opens up like this. Wow, this is beautiful. The quality. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, let's see. So it opens up like this. Okay. All right, this is a letter to us. It's a Dear Headliners, and you can read it yourself, but sweet. What's this? Oh, no way. This is so sick. How sick is that? That is awesome. All right. Okay. So let's open. Ooh, what's over here? Okay, so receive our wristband. Oh, okay. Some baggage. There you go. I actually need some, so this is awesome. Keychain stickers. How cool. And then air refresher for your car or anywhere. Now, this is awesome. All right. So it comes with that. We're going to close this part and see what's in here. It's a booklet. All right, let's see. Okay. Give you information, pictures of previous year. All right. This is it. This is all that comes in this EDC. How awesome is this? Well, we'll see you guys at EDC this year if you guys are going.